citizens should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 527 has been issued from 4 p.m. until 11 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, and Monmouth, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. At 3 p.m.